name is Tebis Mtatanga and I'm going to channel. I'm in if you're regular at T Squad. Thank you so much for coming back by, and if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. Get up, managing over latest stuff, alright guys. And get more ngihamba no somebody's child and inywele ngizoyilungisa emotweni ngoba isiphithiphithi guys, isiphithiphithi. My OOTD, I'm wearing this top from Zara. Naleli blue lam guys, uthi ngizokwazi yini ukulibona. Uthi ngigibele esihlalweni. Ngifake naleli blue lam guys. Finally jean yami le yaka Foschini, and I'm wearing my Puma sneakers. So that's my OOTD. Asambeni guys, ngilethisa isicefe. Ngithe sophuma ngo 5 manje. Ngazi nami guys, angazi kwenzakaleni. Angazi guys, lento yami ungalala ebusuku ingenza ngilala imini yonke. So asiphumeni guys ngoba kuningi and ngiwani. But ngizoyidedela iweek yami, so it doesn't matter nje ukuthi ngibrushe bese ngiqeda ukwenza yonke into uthi ngiqale ngigqoke icathulo. Hey, asiphumeni, I'm rambling. Asiphumeni lapho ngili. Yabona nje. Hi, into yokuba late. Isicefe lento yokuba late. Isidina.
This one I got you with the job. I know get time, I did cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we don't get back. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, the cat, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, the cat, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money. From my people, then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want a lot. Tell me, what's it go? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, ride the foot, I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling the flow like the ocean. Court, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shame, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want another. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, the cat, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, the cat, ride the foot, I know feet.
sanibonani we guys, angisani update ke guys, senibona ngisemall kodwa ngishila iqala ivlog ukuthi hey bengi-late guys, bengi-late ngalendlela le. Alright ke guys, T-Squad nakho kokwenzakalile ukuthi ngini-update. Nginithi hwaphu. Hambile saya emall, sacosha njengeyingane yebo. Sacosha ke, so emva kwalokho ke iclip enizoyibona ngizobe ngisesontweni ngoba phela bangisakhuluma futhi nokuya esontweni phinde ngaba late. Lento yami yokuba late kumele ngisukumele futhi kumele ngiyimele ngeenyawo. Ngihamba ke ngaya esontweni ngabuya nje. This is a messy vlog guys. Kuningi okwenzakalayo nje ngiyavlogga kodwa ngintshela lutho. Ngivane ngifaka iclip nje. So nje guys yeah, ngihambile noBhururu. Oh guys, ngihambile noBhururu bathi ngihamba noBhururu ke. Into enzakalile singene lapha ka-Ackermans ngoba bathi ngishintshe ijacket yami ka-Ackermans angithi. Lalelani ke we guys. Ngafika ayisekho le jacket ekade ngiyiphethe yabo. Ngibone enye ijacket eleda inkulu guys, size 40. Inkulu yinhleni. Ngathi namanga ngiyayithatha. Ayibonakali kodwa ngathi ngilamantombazana athanda ifashion mengigqokile ngathi ngiwona. Yeah, i-right. Ukuthi phela mina ngithanda izinto ezingibambayo. I-right. Ingidedela kahle mina ngithanda into engibambayo kodwa bo. But nje yinhle yangifanele i-fluffy lana guys. Nje yinhle. Angithi le jacket yami ayu450. Ayu48. So ngayithenga ubusika bukusa nje yabo isa480. So ngoba isi out of stock le ngiyithathile imu 250. So kapho ukuthi ngiphinde ngithathe ezinye izinto ke ngacosha ke we guys, ngacosha hayi Ackermans mondlo intandane. Aningitsheleni nje ngibene izinto ezu3 za480 ijacket eleda. I hope equality kodwa mengithinta ngoba other friend unayo ijacket eleda ayithenga ka-Ackermans. Ngangibona ngithathiswe ngoba ngiyamanzi and usenayo for 4 years manje iqoka le jacket ngoba ngambuza friend wayithenga le jacket yakhe isiyazi yahlala bo. Ngitshela usiphelile ama jacket abiza ngiyamazi bayayithanda nje keep iset iphakethe nje akadlalisi yabo lo muntu. Uthi hayibo wanti Ackermans mango wena uthi Ackermans intombi. Hayi ke nami ngakhala ngathi khalekidi phakathi ngathatha ke ijacket ke leyana ke guys. So nje iyangifanela. We ngiyawasha we guys na umshini tutu. So besixoxa ne angazi uma sisazokhuluma kule vlog kodwa so besibonane ithandwa zami. Ni subscribe, ni like, ni comment guys. Ngicela ni subscribe, ni like, ni comment. Nitshela abangani beni nemndeni ukuthi subscribe. Ukusubscribe ku free nake. Ngiyanicela ni subscribe ku free. Ube nginibone ke bafasi.
Promise uyombona. So I rebuke the spirit of being in complicated relationships. There was some complicated relationships where you can't appear because of what's where women settle for being number twos. I bind that spirit. I bind that spirit. We judge that spirit of you thinking you can never be number one in someone's life. I don't care how society has painted it when you are more than enough. And then he said, in your singleness, if you are single in this place, whether you are 20, whether you are 30, whether you are 40, do not get into complicated situations just because you feel time is not on your side.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?